Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I want to display how to configure a straight-through cable in networking. And as a result of this, I'm using Cat6 twisted pair cable. This is what I'm calling this, known as Cat6 twisted pair cable. Thereafter, I have some tools here that will assist me to implement this job. So I have this one to be a creeping tool. Then this one happens to be ROJ45. So the combination of all this now will actually assist me to do good configuration. So on this straight through cable, I will explain to you some of this following. We have the straight through cable twisted pair and the types and difference between them. So these are the details that I'm going to explain from now. Now, like what I've rightly said, I said this is a twisted pair cable. So I'm configuring it to be a straight through cable because we're having two types of cable configurations. It's either we configure it to be a straight through cable or we configure it to be a crossover cable. But in this lesson, I'm configuring this cable to be a straight through cable. So watch out as I will begin to explain all this now. Now at the first steps, I will be talking about types. Now under the types of straight through cable, we'll be having type A. A type A is T568A. T568A. Now if I want to explain T568A, I want to remove the shade from this cable so that we're able to display the wire and you can explain. I can explain in details. Why is this so strong? There. Now, as you can see, this is the wire, and this wire comes with different color code. Now it is this on this color code we are working on now to explain to you some of the advantages and how we can configure the color code. So, what I'm trying to cut out of this place is known as web crossover code. This is web crossover code. So it's just use it to protect the wire not to have this contact. So I'm dropping it. It doesn't have anything to do with what I'm doing. Now to configure T568A, this is how it look like. You can see the way I'm unshielding the cable. Untwisting the cable rather. You see? So this is how I will untwist it in the first place so that I will know the right cable to pick. So on this note, now if I'm using T568A, now the color code will be the one to determine the types of cable I'm using. Now if I'm using this first one, which is the T568A, the color code will display in this following. I'll have this one to be the green and white stripe will be the first. The second one will be green color, or we can use green wire. While the third one will be orange white, or we call it orange with white stripe. Any of the two you call me are correct. Now the fourth one will be blue. You can see the way I'm trying to split it so that we won't get confused. So this one will be blue. I'll try to remove anything that can hinder the wire so that I can bring it close. You can see the blue will be the next. So you try to use your palm to strip it so that it will not mix up. So the next one will be something like green white or green with white stripe. So this is what I'm trying to pick out from. You can see blue.